well, those are my empties for the month of November. So if you're curious what's inside, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start with Bodycare. So in here I have shower gel from Soap & Glory. That's their Clean On Me Creamy Moisture Shower Gel. And even though it's shower gel, it didn't dry my skin, smell nice. And in case if you're on the go, you don't have to follow with the moisturizer because it's not gonna dry out your skin. And it smells, yeah, it smells sweet, but it's a pleasant scent, and you know you're not gonna get a headache. I have few of the bottles left, I should say I have couple of those in my backup stash because most of the time that's the product which Soap & Glory is gonna include in their, let's call it, sets. Then I have scrub or exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin with bamboo powders, soft and smooth and firms. This is CLARINS, so obviously it's kind of expensive. It's 100 ml, which is 3.5 ounce. Yes, it is gentle. However, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, because this one is like $40, you can easily buy yourself a scrub from Dove. It comes in a huge tube, and you're getting at least 4 times more than in this tube, and the Dove one feels exactly the same as this, so no, I'm not gonna repurchase. I have 2 products from ZIAJA. First is their goat milk body butter with omega-3, 6 and vitamin E. Yes, I do enjoy this product. Yeah, it has that nice scent of a fresh laundry, and I do like it. I went through many tubes of it, and I think maybe I have 1 or 2 left, or I should say waiting on me in my stash. Then I have Avocado body lotion, regenerating dry and damaged hair. This is my second bottle. Yes, it is big, it's 400 ml, which is 14 ounce. If your skin is dry and you need something, this is perfect because it has glycerin, avocado oil, I know there was something else, and even though it says lotion, after you apply it, you're gonna have that nice, how do you call it, sheen on your skin because of the avocado oil. But yes, I do like it, and the bottle is gonna last you for a long time because it's so big. For the hair, I have a conditioner from SHEA Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Shampoo. Cleans, restores extremely dry, brittle hair. This thing, oh, it's a shampoo, yeah, sorry. The shampoo, it's okay. It was nothing special. No, I'm not gonna repurchase. I have a conditioner from the same line, and that one is a disaster. I'm gonna follow up with the Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner for dry, dull, brittle hair, Black Vanilla from Carol's Daughter, and I use this as the name says, the leave-in conditioner. I use this to detangle my hair. It has that heavy vanilla scent, but it's not as heavy that you're gonna get a headache, but it did the job. Comes in a big bottle with a sprayer. You get 8 ounce, which is 230 ml. I use it up. It was fine. No, I'm not gonna repurchase because I have many other things to go through. And then I have hairspray from Marc Anthony, Nourishing Oil of Morocco. This is, I believe, my second bottle. I like it because of the Morocco oil, not Morocco oil, yeah, argan oil. Even though it's a hairspray, your hair are getting a little bit of benefits, and they're not gonna be, you know, crispy and have that extra layer of, okay, when you spray too much hairspray on you, you have that crispiness. It doesn't happen with this product, and yes, I do enjoy it. From Pantene, I have their little ampoule. This is like a deep conditioner, but in a small tube. You can buy them in a 3-pack. This is one of the samples which I received. Intense Rescue Shot. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. This is a wonderful drugstore product for your hair. When you apply it, put it this way, once you use it up, you're gonna see and feel the difference. It's one of those hidden gems at the drugstore. I have a fragrance. This one it's from Vera Wang. That's the Vera Wang Embrace Marigold and Gardenia, and that's exactly how it smells. However, for me, this one smells like summer, but not the, let's call it ocean breeze. No, this is like the countryside. I do like it, and this is my second bottle, and yes, it is a really pretty fragrance which you can almost buy it everywhere. And Vera Wang, she has, I believe there's 4 other fragrances within this range. I'm gonna move over to makeup. Okay, so let's start with the cleansing cloths. That's one from Wet n Wild makeup remover tablets. They do remove makeup, they do the job, like, and they're cheap. Then I have 2 gentle cleansing cloths, all 3 quickly wipes away makeup and impurities. This is from Paula's Choice. I use them to remove my makeup. If you're wearing waterproof makeup, this thing is not gonna do anything. Now, yes, it's gonna take care of the eyeshadow and foundation, but with the mascara, and let's say if you're wearing waterproof mascara, you're gonna struggle. So, no. I'm not gonna repurchase, and unless you wear regular mascara, yes, maybe it can work, but otherwise, nah, this is a pass. Then I have Lumify eye drops. So this is my empty. Then I have a baby version. I do enjoy it because it whitens your eyes. And in case if you stay up late for too long, or you were crying, or let's say in case if you want to make your eyes look fresh, it's perfect. Next one is concealer from L'Oreal. That's their infallible full wear modern concealer. This, it's a good product, comes with a big doe foot applicator. Yes, it does covers, you don't need to use a lot. I have nothing bad to say about this product. However, I'm gonna get rid of it because the shade, okay, this is the wrong shade. I tried to make it work, but even though I'm fair, this thing makes me look like a ghost. So now I will have to buy a new shade, but I do like this product and for sure I'm recommending. Next I have a few mascaras. I'm gonna start with the Too Faced. That's their Better Than Sex mascara, and yes, comes with a hourglass brush. When it came up first, it was really popular because it was a new concept, but right now so many brands have mascara which does exactly the same. You know what, don't even spend your money. I use it up, but no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I have my drugstore alternative. Then next I have base from Lancome. This is like your mascara, I should say your base, before you're gonna apply a regular mascara. And yes, I did enjoy it. I used this for years before Estee Lauder came up with their little black primer. Because I have them for so long, I'm gonna just get rid of them. A little warning, because the mascara is white, you wanna make sure you're gonna cover your lashes, because otherwise you're gonna see a white spaces in between. Next is the number 7 Full 360 all-in-one mascara. So fuller lashes, enhances eyes, and keeps the curves. So yes, comes in a pretty package with a curved brush. And yes, I do like it. And whatever they say, yes, the mascara did. And because I did enjoy the mascara, I decided to give a try for the waterproof version, and it works exactly the same. So yes, I do like it, and obviously I already repurchased. Few things left. I have mascara from Lancome, that's their Hypnose Drama Instant Full Body Volume Mascara. Yes, I did like it. Comes with a neat brush, and it gives the volume. I like it. If I were a purchase, maybe in the future, not right now because I have a lot of mascaras to go through, but if you are now looking for something, that was a good one. Then I have a baby sample of the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. It's a nice, good powder. It's very gentle and it does the job. Then from Sonia Kashuk, I have their makeup brush sponge cleansing balm with scrubbing pad and rose water scent. Yes, it does smells like roses. So let's say after you're done using it, and when you leave it open to dry it, your whole bathroom is gonna smell like roses. So this is already empty, and yes, it comes with a little scrubby with a section cap, so you can use it to clean your brushes. Yeah, you can still smell the roses, and I do like it. I already have one more. This is 1.5 ounce, which is 42 grams. If you are on a lookout for a balm, you can give it a try. Yes, it is good, but I'm sure you can buy something cheaper, because in reality this is like a soap for your brushes and sponges. And then the last item, it's from Rimmel. That's their Stay Matte 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I use this as a setting spray just at the end to make sure everything is sealed. The bottle, it's not half ounce, 3.4 ounce, which is 100 ml, and it lasts me for a really long time. It did the job, it's cheap, and you know what, I do recommend.